Hey all my crafty friends, who's ready to start some Christmas crafting? I know I am. I will be trying my best to put out at least 4 videos per week until Christmas, and I think you will love what I have in mind. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of my Christmas videos, and if you want to be notified when I upload a new video, just hit the bell notification. Merry Christmas! Earlier this week, I had an epic day of creating Rae Dunn Inspired wooden Christmas tags. These little tags look amazing on a tiered tray or hanging from a Christmas tree or wreath. I created a template using a tag I had gotten from Tuesday Morning. I traced the tag onto wood I had gotten from Hobby Lobby. The tags measure approximately 4.5 inches long by 2.5 inches wide. In preparation, I went ahead and cut all the tags using my miter saw and then sanded them all with my orbital sander. I had originally painted some of the tags with spray paint, but I decided to go over them with chalk paint and let them dry. I used my Cricut to cut out several Christmas sayings using a Ray Dunn Inspired font. I will leave a link in the description below if you are interested in getting the pre-cut vinyl. The first tag was painted white, and I transferred the word believe using transfer paper. I thought it needed something more, so I added 2 beads I had already painted onto a piece of twine and then added it to the tag. Look at how cute this sign is, and I just love the pop of color the red beads give it. After the first tag was finished, I decided to do all the tags at one time for each step. What I mean is I added the vinyl to all of the tags before moving on to the next step. The second tag was painted red, and I added the word joy in white vinyl. The next tag was painted black, and I added faith in white vinyl to it. The next tag was painted black, and I added jolly in white vinyl. The next tag had been painted red, and I added jingle in white vinyl to it. The next tag was painted red, and I added ho 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 in white vinyl. The next tag had been painted red, and I added happy holidays in white vinyl. The next tag had been painted black, and I added bah humbug in white vinyl. And this tag was painted black, and I added silent night in white vinyl. After I had applied the vinyl to all the tags, I used my iron and a thin piece of fabric to help seal the vinyl. This also gives my wood projects more of a hand-painted look. By doing this, the vinyl will kind of melt into all the crevices and cracks of the wood. The next step was to seal and protect the tags with Mod Podge. I painted each tag with Mod Podge and put it to the side to let it dry. Once the Mod Podge was dry, I added embellishments to some of the tags. I used twine and ribbon on each of the tags so it could be hung on a tree or taken off so it can be sat on a table, tiered tray, or a shelf. I had so much fun doing all these little signs. If you haven't already, like this video and subscribe to my channel. I will be uploading more Christmas videos every week, and you know you do not want to miss any of them. To be notified when I do upload a video, hit the bell notification. Merry Christmas! And as always, thanks for watching.